What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I went from 0 to over 45,000 subscribers on TikTok. And not just that, I'm going to show you exactly how I use that to supercharge my other channels and how I use that to grow my following online. And not just that, how I use TikTok to increase my profit online. So if that's something interesting, make sure you stick around. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now. The subscribe button somewhere in the bottom of this video, so make sure you go do that right now, and also like this video if you haven't done so already. So if you're interested in that, let's jump right into it. So I'm not just going to be telling you about how I did. I'm going to jump into my computer and show you exactly what my analytics look like. I'm going to be showing you the numbers from the last 7 days, from 30 days, from the time when I started posting on TikTok, and show you exactly what the growth trajectory has been like, because honestly, to me, it's still very mind-blowing. And I know that if you put in the same type of effort and if you're really committed to it, you will be able to do the same thing. So let me not waste your time. I'm just gonna jump into my computer right now. All right, so we are here inside of my computer. This is exactly what my TikTok analytics look like. As you can see, I'm inside of my TikTok right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what it's been like in the last 7 days, 28 days, 60 days, and beyond. And honestly, I haven't been on TikTok for more than 60 days anyway. So what you're seeing right here is my analytics, and in the last 7 days alone, I've been able to generate about 143,000 views. And out of those 143,000 views, about 4,154 of those visited my profile, meaning people who clicked on my profile to see what I have, on my profile. Maybe they just are interested, or maybe they're just curious. And of those, 25,000 likes across all of my videos, 188 comments, and 506 shares. So essentially, my content went viral on TikTok, and it's not the first time it's happens all the time. And videos that I posted 2 months ago are still being watched over and over again. In fact, one of the videos I've had over 2 million views as of right now, another one over 500,000. And the virality on TikTok is what makes it so special, the organic reach that you can get on there. So in the last 28 days, I have over 600,000 views on my videos. I have 19,000 profile views, 90,000 likes, 3,000 shares, and 1,200 comments. So that is just the power of TikTok. This is just to tell you that, sometimes it fluctuates, but the more you grow on TikTok, the more you put out content, the higher and the steadier the views are going to be. And in the last 6 days, meaning the entire time that I've been on TikTok, and mind you, I've been on YouTube for well over a year, and I'm still at 3,000, just over 3,000 subscribers right now. I'm grateful for 3,000 subscribers. I'm just saying that I've been on TikTok for just a fraction of the time that I've been on YouTube, and I have almost 2 million views across all of my videos. Now, this is just from May 8th to July 6th. So just under 2 months. And I've been posting on TikTok before May 8th, but the time when I got access to the TikTok creator portal where I can track all of my insights, that was on May 8th. And from then till this moment right now that I'm filming this video, I've generated 1.96 million views. 56,000 of those have visited my profile, 200,000 likes, and 22,000 shares, meaning my profile, my content has just been blowing up for the last 2 months. And that, ultimately, brings me to my profile. So as you can see right here, I have 46,100 followers, and I'm following 167. Of course, when you have that many followers every single time, you find it very difficult to follow a ton of people. And now that is just my TikTok analytics. How does that now translate into your business? What are you trying to use TikTok to accomplish? And a very good way to measure that will be on my Beacons page. Now, Beacon is a software, a desktop application that you use in building links for your profile. If we go here to my TikTok and I click on the link on my bio right now, what you see here is a link that I have on my TikTok profile. So these are just the number of links, or the links that I have on my profile that people can actually click on. So that is how you have so many links on your profile. Of course, there's so many softwares out there that does this. There's Linktree, there's Beacons, there's Koji, some of which I will talk about in another video. But that's just to give you an idea, of how my profile works if you go find me on TikTok right now. So this is my Beacons dashboard, meaning that software that I use. And over the lifetime, meaning the time that I've been using Beacons to share my links on TikTok, I have had over 8,000 people view that page, meaning 8,000 people click through on my profile page, on the link in my profile. And of those 8,000, I have 6,800 people click on the link in my Beacons page. Now, that's not everyone coming in from TikTok. Of course, some people would drop off, and that's why they call it a funnel. And now look at the number that blows my mind the most, and that is this click-through rate right here, meaning 82% of people who jump on my Beacons page click through to my profiles. And that is just the power of TikTok. When people think about TikTok, think about just random people dancing and shaking their butts, but these are actual people. These are real people with interests and goals and aspirations, people who want to use social media to better their lives. And if you can align your content with the things that they're interested in, imagine how much you can be able to achieve by just capitalizing on that audience. So now I have 82% of people clicking on my link, and here you can see on this link alone I have 2,000 clicks on here. I have 3,000 clicks on this one, and that's not every link I have in my Beacon. Some of the links I've actually gotten rid of. But what is even more important than all of this clicks and views and all that is my email list. Now, that is the most important part of this video. If you want to use social media for anything, it is to build your business, to make more money, to build an audience that you can sell to, that will buy from you, right? But the importance of TikTok to me has been to build my email list. Now, this is my Get Response software, the email marketing software that I use, and I have over 3,620 emails inside of my list. Of course, some of them have unsubscribed, some of them might not be responsive, but if I don't have TikTok, I would not be able to have built my email list up to this number that I have right now. And prior to TikTok, I've said it so many times, I have maybe about 27 emails on my list. I mean, I was using YouTube primarily, but once I jumped to TikTok, that number went off the roof, and I have over 3,620 right now, and that has in turn helped me be able to make more money online. I've been able to partner with different programs and different affiliate programs, and that 3,600 emails that you see right here, these are my audience. So if I get kicked off TikTok or kicked off YouTube at any time, I still have access to this many people. So this is the power of TikTok. This is what TikTok can do for you. Of course, the other platforms can do the same, but it takes a lot more time to get going. Imagine YouTube, for example. I've been here for like months now, but I'm still trying to get going. I'm still relatively young and new on this platform. But on TikTok, it's only taking me about 2 months to get this kind of results that I'm seeing right now. What is even more important is how you can get on the platform. How can you start doing the same things? How can you use TikTok as a platform? Maybe even thinking about it, or you've heard people talk about it and you just don't believe it's something that is possible, or maybe you just feel like what, TikTok is too intimidating. And of course, I completely agree, it can be. But what I really want to show you is how can you do this kind of thing. So the first thing that you want to shoot for should be to get your 1,000 subscribers on TikTok. And that is probably the hardest thing to do on TikTok, because you're still learning. You don't know exactly how the tools work, how the trends and hashtags and all these things. But if you get on the platform, I recommend that you spend at least 1 hour on the platform every day, just consuming content and just seeing what other people are doing on the platform. If you can do that, then it brings you into a mindset of just knowing exactly what works and what doesn't work, and just helping you understand how the platform works, because it's completely different from every platform out there. So you want to shoot for your first 1,000 followers on TikTok. And how do you do that? By consistently posting content. Now, TikTok is not a platform where you put out your best content like YouTube. I mean, on YouTube, I post about 2 to 3 times a week. If you're on TikTok, you want to make sure you're posting at least 3 times a day. So you can do as much as you want, but you want to make sure you do the minimum of 3 times a day. I always recommend 6. When I first get started, I was posting 5-6 times a day, and sometimes I may not be feeling like it, but the minimum I always shoot for would be 3 posts a day. How much content should you post? Yeah, you should be posting at least 3 content a day, and make sure you're using the right hashtags and the right songs. If you're scrolling on the For You page, meaning the home page of TikTok, you'll be getting some ideas on what kind of songs and what kind of hashtags and what kind of trends people are making videos with. So that will give you some ideas on how to start putting out content. And after your 1,000 followers, when you reach your first 1,000 followers, that is going to be the change that you need, the difference maker that you need in everything about TikTok, because then you will have access to, so like this creator portal that you see right here, only when you get to 1,000 subscribers will you be able to access this kind of information, so that way you can know exactly where your audience is coming from. And look at this graph right here. My profile has always been on the rise for the last 60 days. So it started growing here, then it kind of like flattened off, then it picked up again, then it flattened off, then it picked up again. And I know at some point it's gonna flatten a little bit, but then it's gonna keep going up again. So that is some things you want to keep in mind. 1,000 subscribers should be your initial goal on TikTok. Then you will have all the creator tools like your link in bio. Once you can have your link in bio, that's when people can be able to visit your bio and click on your link and visit your pages and buy from you. And you just start seeing things change very quickly, because TikTok is a platform that rewards you for the kind of effort that you put in. So if you want to, be seeing the kind of results that I'm seeing right now, you just need to get on it, get on TikTok. If you have, it doesn't matter if you have a brick and mortar business or an online business or a coaching business, whatever business you have right now, TikTok can be the platform that helps you skyrocket. Believe me, it's not going to be this way forever. So if you are still sleeping on it, maybe you're not sure if you want to get on, you should just do it right now, because it's not going to be all glitz and glam. Organic reach on TikTok, we know for a fact, will go away. And when it goes away, then it becomes a platform like Instagram, which now everybody's trying to run away from. So when it's still young, when it's still in trending right now, that's when you should really get on, and you won't regret that you did if you jump on it right now. So if you want to learn more about this kind of things, how to grow on social media, I have a link down description. Make sure you click on that. Or I'm working on right now some type of training to help you grow on your social media, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, or whatever it is you want to do. Build an email list, start making money on YouTube, and all this kind of things that I am currently doing right now. I have a link down description, and click on that and let me know you're interested. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next one.